There's great enthusiasm in the field on the panel at Mount Sinai for all that can be done to slow down the pathological, the abnormal aspects of the aging process. We've known for a really long time that aging is at the core of all diseases and disorders, but it was a black box. There was a lot of knowledge that needed to be generated and continues to be generated so that we understand what are the biological aspects of abnormal aging trajectories and how can we alter them. I'm excited because what the data is showing to us is that the brain is truly biologically connected to the other organ systems. Although you may have vulnerability for your brain or heart or kidney, and what that means is that you're going to present with disease affecting that organ system first and foremost. Once disease starts, it has an impact on the others. And so it was more of a dooms view of it. The positive aspect of that is that if you can alter the trajectory of one organ, you can also alter the trajectory of the others, or that interventions actually impact multiple organs at once. My lab really focuses on vascular pathologies, and that has always been a multi-organ problem.